welcome back to my channel. Hey also, I'm back again with an exciting vlog video. Yeah, it's gonna be really quick and boring vlog video. I've been cleaning my room since morning, and my hair, I did my hair not last night, yesterday morning. Yes, I did it for my work, and it is still, oh, I think, yeah, I did this hairstyle yesterday morning, and then I brushed again in the evening, and then I kept my hair like this in a bun. Since then it's like that, and I haven't showered yet. I've been cleaning my room. I just removed my face pack. It's so hot, so I just don't wanted to wipe my face, so I'm here with the t-shirt. I was cleaning my room. I changed my sheets. I've got clothes over here. I'm gonna make a video, yes, a fashion video. And this is like, I changed a little setup, cleaned my room. It looks a bit nice now. Anyways, I really wanted to throw away the t-shirt because it's not good to wear anymore. I washed it so much, so nice, but then it still looks a bit dirty. But it's just like, it was all leathered, covered with leather, but then my mom washed it so much that it just got off of it. Yes, my mom washed it. Anyway, so I'm thinking to do some experiment with this top, so I was like, why not do it on camera? So it's gonna be really quick video, you guys. I won't be making like long video. So let me quickly switch on the lights. Yeah. So I don't think so you can see this. No, how can I show you? So I'm going to cut up my t-shirt and make it into like a skirt. So if you think I'm not showing you clearly, because it's nothing, I'm just gonna cut over like from here to till this point, just cut it up. That's it. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I hope I don't cut my sheet. So we have a newspaper underneath this, otherwise my mom would kill me. Cut up. Anyways, here is my t-shirt ready. I'm gonna cut this up. I'm going to throw away the t-shirt anyway, so I wanted to do some experiment. That's why I'm doing it. Okay, so I cut up this t-shirt into two. Let me stretch this up. It looks like a crop top now, but I don't like this t-shirt anymore because it doesn't look nice. So okay, and now I'm gonna try this out. I really want to see how it looks like, so let me try it out. Okay, just be here. I was about to take the lights. It does not look nice at all. So this is like utter failure. So nice outfit. If it was like nice quality and if it was a little longer, then it would have looked far better than what it looks like now. Anyways, I have to go shower now. I have to wash my hair, I have to wash my body, and then I have to do really quick exercise before I get my lunch. So yeah, I don't really want to show you the back. I don't know. Come on, it doesn't look nice. Okay. have guts to come close to you guys because this is like an awful DIY video. I don't know, but I like my belly now. I mean, it's gone a little in because I've been exercising, so I like that. Otherwise, I don't like the outfit. Anyways, I'm gonna throw it away. I was already planning to keep this away. I think I'll keep this to clean some things, this skirt, but then the top I'm gonna throw it away. So yeah. Bye you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this quick boring video. I'll be back again with amazing, and should I show you the back? Okay, this is the back. How back looks like. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna go shower, I just don't want to show you the outfit. I have my lunch, and I'll be back with a fashion video. I've got my clothes there, so let me give you a quick hint. Tops which I don't like anymore. So yeah, I'll be showing you like 10 tops in the next video which I don't like to wear anymore, but I really wanted to show you, so I decided to show you because I'm thinking to throw them away. Let's see, I'm not sure. Okay, anyways, that's why I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't. I'll be back again with another video. Bye.